Tool theft is on the rise and you can't earn a living without your kit. I'm going to show you a product that can help keep your valuable tools safer than ever. This impressive piece of kit is the VAULT 2. It's the first secure storage product designed for vehicles to have been independently tested and certified by Secured by Design, the UK's official police approved standard. Its heavy-duty steel body has been designed to withstand the most determined attack. Robust security features such as the tamper-proof internal hinge, crossbar reinforcing and the flush front closing lid keep thieves out. And then there's the VAULTLOCK locking system, housed deep within the body of the box and shielded by a hardened steel plate. It gives advanced protection from drilling, cutting and picking. And to make your working day easier, the VAULT 2 has been designed so there's loads of room to fit your kit inside. Thieves will always want to get into your van, but the VAULT 2 means proper protection, keeping your tools more secure than ever. Let's stop making it easy for thieves. VAULT, stored and secured.